Mobile apps are essential, but not all are safe. Cybercriminals use app stores to distribute malware and steal data. Despite strict measures by Google and Apple, some malicious apps slip through. Hackers use various techniques to deceive users. Joker malware disguises itself as harmless apps and subscribes users to premium services without consent. Sharkbot targets banking apps, stealing credentials and bypassing two-factor authentication. It lurks in fake antivirus apps. Hidden ads malware overwhelms users with ads, slowing devices. It often pretends to be simple tools like QR code scanners. Face Stealer is designed to steal Facebook credentials through fake login screens. Beware of its presence in VPN apps. Ultima SMS tricks users to enter phone numbers for costly SMS services, often found in battery optimization apps. To avoid malicious apps, check developer info, read reviews carefully, and analyze app permissions. If you've downloaded a malicious app, uninstall it immediately, change your passwords, and run a security scan. Always be cautious and stay informed to protect your data and personal information from cyber threats. Have you ever downloaded a malicious app? Share your experience in the comments.